Hello! Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. Today I have here Apple Watch Series 7 and 2 extra straps that I ordered. So let's do the unboxing. Here it is. This is the watch and this is the strap that I have chosen. I'm going to open the watch first. I'm going to put this away. Right. Okay. So this is the watch. I have chosen the stainless steel model. Gold. Stainless steel gold. Wow. 41 mm. I forgot to mention. The size is 41 mm. So here we can see. Okay. This is it. Here it is. Gold. Do you see the gold? Wow. It's not very gold, so which is good. How does it compare with my Fitbit? Something like this. Okay, so I'm going to put this away first and okay, this is just some paperwork and that is the charger. I'll figure it out later on. So I'm going to open up the strap. So here is the strap. This is a very special strap. The leather strap, purple. What's the color? The official color? I will put it in the description anyway. Yes, so this is how it is. Oh, it's already starting. It's starting up. And I will have to go and pair it up with my phone. I have to do that later, and then maybe I will do an updated video on how I use my Apple Watch. This is my Fitbit and that's my new Apple Watch. So I'm going to try on my wrist and see how this special bracelet. See, how interesting is this? Magnet. Still a little bit loose, and this is the small to medium size already, so let me try tighten. Ah yeah, okay. So this seems to fit very nicely. So I'm going to charge it up and pair it with my phone, and then I'll do an updated video next time on how I use it. Okay, now is the time to unbox the 2 extra straps that I ordered. This is a product red strap. What is this called? Sport loop. Okay, this is the sport loop. Sport loop for all my workouts. I will change to this one. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. Okay. Okay. One. And ooh, that's tight. Like that. So, like this. The sport loop. I have a very small wrist, so we'll see how this goes. Yes. Oh, it's quite comfortable. It's quite nice. I like it. So this is the sport loop product red edition. So red and gold stainless steel. Looks nice. Okay, so now I'm going to open up the next one. This is interesting. Braided Solo Loop in Maize is the color. Let me open it. Yep, this is just an elastic band. Yes, this is elastic band. Stretchy. I hope I got the right size. Okay, I ordered size 2. Size 2 because I have a very small wrist. I'm curious to try it on. Try it on. Try this on. Wow, look at this. How small this loop is. Okay, let me see. It's normally very stretchy and it should fit. Yeah, it fits good. Yes, it fits really good. Oh, I love it. Yeah, this is quite comfortable. Will be ideal strap when I want to wear it to sleep and monitor my heart rate. That is the reason why I ordered this strap. So okay, we'll test it out and see how it goes.
Hi everyone, I've decided to pause the video here now to share with you that I also ordered a size 3 of the solo band to compare with size 2, as I find it a bit too tight when I wear it to sleep. So for those ladies with small wrists, I hope my comparison of the two sizes will help you choose the correct size band for your watch. So here are the two braided solo loop in two different sizes. So this one is in size 3, 41 mm, and this one is in size 2. Let me measure the size. Size 2 is about 12 centimeters and size 3 is about 13 centimeters. So this is how it looks like. Size 3 on the Apple Watch 41 mm on my wrist. This is how it looks. Kind of loose. You can see quite a bit of gap. So yeah, and it moves around. It moves around too much. So that is my left wrist, and on my right wrist. So here you can see size 3 is obviously too big for a 14 centimeter wrist. So just for reference, my left wrist is slightly less than 14 centimeters. Right wrist, which is in fact the same, also slightly less than 14 centimeters. Now let me change this to size 2. Okay, so this is size 2, how it looks like. It looks really small, but for my small wrist, I think this still fits. Yeah, this fits better. You see, it doesn't move anymore. It fits just perfect. So, and there is no gap in between. Yeah, it's the most comfortable in this size. So one thing to comment is not forgetting that even though the band measures only 12 centimeters, you have to factor in this part, which is the part from the watch. And this measures between the lug to lug, measures about 3.5 centimeters. So if you add the size 3 band, which is already 13 centimeters, you add another 3.5 centimeters from the watch lug to lug area, then you end up having 16.5 centimeters. So that will be way too big for someone with my kind of wrist size of around 14 centimeters. So I highly recommend for those who are as small wrist as mine, around 14 centimeters, to go with size 2. Size 2 will be the right size, which is this one. And it also fits good on my right. Yeah, it fits snug, not moving, no gap. It's perfect, it's very comfortable. So I have also ordered the product Red Solo Loop in size 2 when I ordered the size 3 of the yellow band for comparison. So here you can see the comparison of size 2 product red solo loop next to the size 3 band.
So see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.